If you want to add your home address in Google Maps, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to set your home location easily. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Now, look at the bottom menu and tap on You. After that, scroll a little and tap on Labeled. Here, you'll see options like Home and Work. Next to Home, tap the three-dot menu, then select Edit Home. Now you have to choose your location directly from the map. If you want to select it on the map, move around and zoom in until the pin is exactly on your house or location. Once you find the correct spot, tap Save. Then tap Done to save your home address in Google Maps. And that's it. Your home location is now added successfully, and you can use it anytime for faster navigation and directions. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google Maps tutorials and step-by-step tech guides.